strange case of Britain. Formation of Britain as nation-state was a result of very long drawn-out, that is, lasts longer than necessary process. There was no Britain nation before 18th century. British peoples were identified by ethnicity, that is, common origin or race, such as English, Welsh, Scot, or Irish, with their own cultural and political traditions. The growth in wealth, importance, and power of English nation extended its influence over other nations of islands. In 1688, England established as nation-state and took power from monarchy. The Act of Union in 1707 between England and Scotland formed United Kingdom of Great Britain. Act meant that England can impose its influence on Scotland. British Parliament was dominated by English members. England dominated Scotland and its culture. Even they were denied to use their national identities. Ireland country divided between Catholics and Protestants. Protestants dominated Catholics with the help of English people. Ireland was forcibly taken by British after the failure of revolution led by Wolfe Tone and his United Irishmen in 1798. A new British nation, Britain, was formed with symbols such as British flag by Union Jack, national anthem, that is, God Save Our Noble King, and English language. Giuseppe Garibaldi, from 1807 to 1882, Italian freedom fighter and sailor in Merchant Navy. In 1833, he joined Young Italy movement. In 1834, participant in Republican uprising in Piedmont. In 1848, uprising suppressed, that is, comes to an end, and he migrated to South America. Lived in Bard region till 1848. In 1854, supported Victor Emmanuel II in unification of Italy. In 1860, led a journey of the 1,000 to South Italy. Later, volunteers keep on joining journey till they grew to 30,000. They were known as Red Shirts. In 1867, led army volunteers to Rome for unification of Italy, the Papal States. In 1870, Papal States finally joined Italy. Activity 1. The artist has portrayed Garibaldi as holding on to the base of the boat so that the King of Sardinia, Piedmont, can enter it from the top. Look at the map of Italy once more. What statement is this caricature making? The base of boot symbolizes Kingdom of Two Sicilies won by Garibaldi. Garibaldi handed it King Emmanuel II. This picture is showing unification of Italy and Garibaldi role in it.